Good morning, students. Today in this video you are going to learn about the poem My Hobby Reading. The author of this poem Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. So already know what's meant by hobby. Hobby is an activity that we do in our spare time or leisure time. Reading. Do you have the habit of reading? Yes, reading is very important. So reading books increases our knowledge and improves our language. Okay, so everyone should have the habit of reading. Not only your textbook, you should read all other kinds of books. Okay, then look at the glossary. Breeding, procreation. In Tamil, பெருக்கமடைதல். Rational, intelligence. பகுத்தறிவு. Ajar, slightly open, சற்று திற. Cackle, informal laugh, சத்தமாக சிரி. Constructing, establish or create, உருவாக்குதல். Vigorous, powerful, that is strong, சக்தி வாய்ந்த. First I read the poem, then I explain it. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. It takes me to places near and far. It keeps my rational doors ajar. It teaches me to cackle and cry. Without wings, it lets me fly. I wish if all the children could read. In constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. My hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. Here, this poem deals with the favorite hobby of many people, reading. Here, the poet's hobby is also reading. Here, the poet describes his hobby, reading, how the reading hobby helps him. Okay, so my hobby is reading. Whose hobby is reading? The poet's hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. This reading hobby helps him to grow his thoughts, to grow and cultivate his many good thoughts. Okay, so it helps me in thought breeding. This reading hobby helps him to grow and develop his good thoughts. It takes me to places near and far. That means the reading habit takes him to places near and far. That is, so when you read, by reading about the nearby places or the far off places, we can know about that particular place. So we can feel like we have traveled to that particular place. That is, it keeps my rational doors ajar. Here, the poet compares his mind with the room. It keeps, reading habit keeps his rational doors ajar. Because of reading habit, the doors of his mind are kept open. Reading helps him to think intelligently. Okay, it teaches me to gaggle and cry. This reading habit teaches him to gaggle and cry. Gaggle means laugh loudly and cry. So this reading habit teaches him to accept joy and sorrow in the same way. Okay, so it teaches him to laugh loudly at the happiest moment and to cry at the sad or sorrow times. Okay, then without wings it lets me fly. So how he can fly without wings? By thoughts. Okay, his reading habit lets him fly without wings. His thoughts can travel anywhere he wants to. He does not need any wings for that. So by thoughts only he can fly anywhere else. I wish if all the children could read. In constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. Here, the poet wishes that if all the children could read, that means all the children should be educated. So if we choose all the children should get education to be able to read. Okay, in constructing a vigorous society, constructing means build, and vigorous a powerful society. So to build a powerful society, all the children should be educated. So all the children should get education to be able to read. If we choose reading as our hobby, we will become a knowledgeable citizen and drive the country towards the success and growth. That is, then we shall succeed. That means, so if we choose reading as our hobby, so we will become a knowledgeable person and we can drive the country towards success and growth. Okay, then in the overall, here the poet describes how his reading hobby helps him. How his reading hobby helps him. So his reading hobby helps him in thought breeding, and it takes him to places near and far, and it keeps his rational doors ajar. It teaches him to gaggle and cry, and without wings, this reading hobby lets him fly, and he wishes that all the children should be educated. So then only we can construct a big vigorous society. Then we shall succeed. Find out the rhyming words of this poem. Reading, breeding. Far, ajar. Cry, fly. Read, succeed. These are the rhyming words of this poem. Now can you answer the book back questions? What is the hobby of the poet? The hobby of the poet is reading, or reading is the hobby of the poet. What does ajar mean? Ajar means slightly open. Can the poet fly without wings? No, the poet cannot fly without wings, but his thoughts can fly anywhere else without wings. What can children do to the society if they read? If the children could read, they could build a powerful, they can build a powerful society. So I repeat that answer. If all the children could read, they can construct a powerful society. What is the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem is reading hobby. Okay children, thank you. Write them in your English note.